Happy Friday, everybody. It's been one heck of a week, and we got a surprise. I've got my sisters here with me.
Surprise!
All the way up from Florida. Karen Dittmar, Beth Conway. Right? And we've got a special drink for you, right? Because we do have one more week for football season, so, and it's still 100 degrees.
It is.
We might as well have a tropical drink.
So good.
And what's
Happy
more
Indian.
tropical?
Then,
What?
a Hawaiian martini.
Hawaiian.
Right? It kind of goes with the outfits.
Hell
right?
yeah.
The hookah. Nice. Okay. So, first ingredients we need is coconut rum. Karen? We're going
To
to
the
double these
bikini
up,
line.
right? All the way to the top. Typically, it takes one shot, but if you've seen our show, if it calls for one shot, how many shots do we do?
2!
2. That's right. Okay. Now, next ingredients we need vodka. Beth?
I'm doing 2
Two.
1 ounce shots. This will be 1.
Uno.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. It's all good. We'll look it
Woo!
off later.
I'll lick it up later.
There you
we
go.
go.
Can you
2.
tell we're related? All right. Now,
Yeah.
bam. Next thing we need is 4 shots of pineapple juice.
Okay. Can I have the bikini girl?
Yes, you may.
Oh, right.
That's
I
going to be
just-
tricky.
I took
isn't it?
mine off
I'm gonna put it
earlier.
over. You got that?
I think so. Oh,
That's
Don't
close enough.
move
That's-
it.
It's all good. It's all good.
winning.
There you go. Put it in there. That's why they make soap.
Okay.
Lick it.
There you go. You know what? It's the
Just saying. So good.
it's the pineapple juice that makes the drink. So go ahead and put a little bit more in there.
Okay.
May I?
Oh.
There you go. That's good. That's good.
Here, let
Triple
me
sec.
help- let me
Yes,
help
you
you
may.
with that. Okay.
May I?
Yes.
How
put the
much?
triple sec.
How much?
2 to the bikini line.
Oh, to the boobies.
There you go. Beautiful. Okay, now we need to put some ice in there. Let's bring some ice on over here.
Yes, sir.
Gracias.
De nada.
We got a little bit of this.
Now, actually, we're going to call this a Hawaiian martini surprise.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, shake and shake.
Hoo, 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 hoo.
Shake and shake.
All right, all right, all
Oh,
right.
goodness. We like it cold.
It's
Up here
all
in Texas.
goodness.
Well, you know what? When it's 110 degrees out,
You like it a little chilled.
I like it a little chilled when you get the chance. That's right.
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Oh, it's going to get prettier.
It's the sunset. I'm just saying.
Gotta make sure you don't get cheated. I've been
We
accused.
know.
I've been accused of cheating people.
Big
Okay,
ass.
so
Liar.
Okay.
Hawaiian martini surprise. So first we're gonna put a little
Is that
grenadine. in here.
grenadine?
It's grenadine.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Now we're getting into
Sugar
the
at the
sunrise.
bottom.
Now we're getting into the sunrise surprise.
Yeah.
Now, typically when you have a martini, what are you putting in it?
Oh.
Regular olives. Olives. High five.
Yay!
You're gonna A. Because it's a surprise, instead of using olives,
We're gonna have martini.
yeah, but not just any.
Oh,
Martini
I know
cherry.
It, I know it. It is. What do you do underneath the floor here?
What the hell?
Bury people?
No. No.
Bury my sister?
No. Hey! It's called moonshine, bitch.
There you go. Hey, it's a family
Oh.
show.
Sorry.
It's a family show.
That's
there you
pretty.
go. What do you
I think it's
look at that?
beautiful.
Look at that. Here.
Oh, okay.
You say.
What do we say?
Happy
Happy
Friday.
Friday. Thank you,
See you
Kevin
next week.
Dittmar.
You're welcome.